Did you know you can shut down Windows 11 without using your mouse? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to shut down Windows 11 quickly using only your keyboard. Let me first open the on-screen keyboard. I show you the keys to use. So to shut down, press Windows plus X together, let go, then tap the U key twice. Let me repeat that. Press Windows plus X, release them, and then double tap U. Let me close the on-screen keyboard and shut down the machine using my keyboard. So like I said, first press Windows key and X. Next, press U twice. Windows 11 will immediately begin shutting down. That's it. You can shut down Windows 11 without touching the mouse. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.